this is the job. So this job is created, you want to run the job. So if you run the job, so you can go to the shit guys, you can go to the, what is this, reset terminal, so duplicate session. Yeah, so EC2 hyphen user is, yeah, EC2 hyphen user. So in this sudo su, so go to here. So then you already installed, right? So where our code is available, cd var lib Jenkins. So here I think workspace, right? So jobs, yeah. So we'll run the code. So this is the job. So I want to run this job. I want to build now. So build now. Let's check. So this is the building the job. In the job you are building, right? The console output. So you see the console output. So username is techworld with Hari, running system. So the building workspace var lib Jenkins workspace full git code. So this is the cloning repository. So in it, so fetching the repository. So then, so build is success. Build is success. So now you can check the, yeah, workspace is created. So in the workspace, you see full GitHub code. CD full GitHub code. Our job name is full GitHub code. Yeah. So it will pull the GitHub code, right? So whatever the code is there in, so it will pull from, so pull in the, so you did not done the just git clone. So who did? Jenkins did this git clone. Right now you understood, guys. So this is a getting the getting the code from the GitHub.